today is another day. We are here now at Alice and today is our birthday. It's our birthday.
It's our birthday and we'll cry if we want to.
Yeah, we're gonna try to eat here, but there's a lot of people. As you can see, a lot of people here. Yeah. So there's a lot of people, so we have to wait here outside before we go inside. So we celebrate our birthday here. So we did not even cook some food. Bought some food.
I could have grabbed the number.
Hi guys! We're here! Mama! We're here now. We're in the number 5. We're waiting.
Happy birthday!
Until they're done eating. Thank you so much. Happy birthday to us.
Libre ang birthday rin.
May birthday Kasama ko yung aking aunt, my darling, at saka si mama, at saka yung uncle ko doon sa dulo. We are here at Alice Buffet House. Yay! We're here now! Tara! Kutsara! Happy birthday to us! Yeah, that's chicken. For sure beef now.
I haven't seen it yet.
Yeah. Ay, mama, gato. Here you go. Naranoy, oh? Nadali sa kilid.
Sana sa sana niyo.
Street in town.
Pwede ko tamlayo.
Oh, pwede ma. Naroon, ni kuya. Ha? Sa kilawin.
Nasa manhugit.
Okay ma. Ano na siya ma? Manok. Chicken. This one is baboy. Oh, kaon. Shrimp. Si Kuya Chef. Yan. Ay, gair ko kaninoy. Ikaw. Oh, go. All right. What do you want, honey? Huh? Oh, that's really good, huh? That's a vegetables. What veggie? Oh, honey, pork.
Pompano.
No, that's a pork.
Says Pompano.
Pork. Oh, pork, honey, pork. Yes. Here's the beef. Pork kumba. Lechon kawat. Bicol Express. Show it here, be. Show it here. Oh. Uy, what is that?
Little tiny chocolate.
Yeah? Here we got eggplant, chicken, ang rice na. Tayo gulay. He got bread.
What's that?
That's a bread.
Bread?
Yeah, like a sandwich. Kaon. Te, kuha sa tag ano te, dessert sa ta. Dessert. Saan ba to? Wonder cake. This is my cake. Dessert. Salad. Kain na tayo. Kuha na tayo ng ano. My cake! My cake! Ay, dessert ito dagan ha. Kaon lang mo. Kaon!
It's getting good.
Gamit man. Maring dry bread.
Gila na sa manok
Ah. Okay lang, medyo makita. Okay lang? Kaunta, natay, uy ba, baboy.
Dah.
Ito ang ano, ako ang ano dito, di mabre, agi mabre na kita ng check.
Asa ko na fried rice.
Chicken.
Ano yung gawin Manila?
Hmm?
Ano yung sa Manila?
Oo nga.
Mama. Bakit juga mama?
Ano no, may karon. Kamay lang. Ano ka mo ma?
Sa fish fillet. Kami ng fish fillet, no? Sarap yung fish fillet.
Bariles.
Bariles? Fish fillet.
Lagi okay?
Ah. Manok. Manok. How's the ano, beef? Lami?
Okay.
Very good?
Not very tender. You want whole? Like it in
Alright, thank you. Happy birthday to you. Wow. Oh, di ba? Wala nang name. It's okay. Hey.
Ora kay lang kinik lang.
Oh. Anyway guys, andito na kami sa bahay. So thank you guys for watching. Please do subscribe and leave a comment down below and click the notification bell for more updated videos. Thank you guys and today is my special day. God bless you. Bye-bye.